What's up, everyone, and welcome to Roush Performance Building 94. Today, we're going to be talking about the Bronco R Series Kit. Typically, we assemble our vehicles right here in Livonia, Michigan, but for the Bronco, we've changed it up a bit. And we've taken all of those Roush components and put it in this crate to send to your doorstep or a Roush authorized dealer near you. All right, let's check out what's in the crate. Starting with the air induction system, our axle back exhaust system with removable tip, 5 17-inch Roush design off-road wheels, Roush graphics package. The interior components consist of the Roush console vault, off-road utility kit, and a set of Roush branded all-weather floor liners. To complete this kit, you're going to get serialized Roush badging and a certificate of authenticity. All right, guys, that is a wrap on the Bronco R Series Kit. For more information, head over to RoushPerformance.com or check out your local Roush authorized dealer.